Hey, it's over 100 degrees outside, and that means it's summer, and that means it's also the semi-annual sale again for Bath & Body Works. So I wanted to show you what I got, and I had an order online as well as an order in store, so we're gonna go through everything. Some of the things are this season and some of the things were on sale from the last season. So I'm excited to show you what I got. So first, of course, I had to get some candles. Also stocked up on a little bit of soap for the summer. I first got this sweet strawberry scoop. Sorry if you can hear cars in the background. Three of my kids are sleeping, and we just got back from a very long day of swimming lessons and shopping, and they're really tired. So I'm gonna let them sleep and we're gonna film this out here. But this one smells really good. It's very, I don't know. It's sugared pink strawberries and vanilla bean ice cream. And it's just a very sweet smell. I like it. I have 4 daughters, so I thought this was really cute for their bedroom. But I'll give you a little close up, especially the bottle was my favorite part of this. It's so cute. And I also got, for soap, Kitchen Lemon. I feel like this is an oldie but a goodie. You can't go wrong with this one. And my daughter also just informed me, my 7-year-old, that she loves lemon scents. So we gotta oblige that, right? I also got Boardwalk Vanilla Cone. I got 2 of these. My very favorite summer candle, there's two favorites. I guess they're in here. I'll tell you in just a minute. But this one reminded me of one of my favorite summer candles. So this one is Marshmallow Fluff, Vanilla Bean, and Creamy Caramel. So it's nice. That's really nice. I like it. It's not wonderful. I just spilled it everywhere. Hold on. I feel like these scents, tell me if you feel the same way, but I feel like these scents translate a lot better in the candles than they do in the soap, but they're still really good. I like these soaps. As far as soap goes, it smells really good. And lastly, Firecracker Fizz, because we had to get a 4th of July one. And this one is Red Cherry, Fresh Citrus, and Juicy Berry. And I like these ones. I like the foaming one because the foaming ones don't dry out my hands as much. That smells so good. That's like a, I can really smell the cherry in there. It smells like a bomb pop. So if you like those, that's a great summer one. The 4th of July. And I also got a body spray. It was like $4 for something, for some of their body care items. And this one is Midnight Swim, and it just smells like, let's see, it says Blue Waters, Beach Flower, and Fresh Coastal Air. This one smells very refreshing, but it's not like, it's a tiny bit floral, but I don't smell there's not much. It's not too floral, and it's also not, Coastal Air I definitely smell, but it's also not too cologne-y. I feel like it can smell like a man's cologne really fast, and this one doesn't. It smells very feminine, but it's like it's very fresh, and it smells very coastal, I guess is a good word for it. Okay, this one, I had to get this because I don't think this is actually on sale, but I was like, yes. My favorite weather is rain, because I live in a desert and it never rains, and we've had maybe like 3 rainstorms in the past 9 months. So my baby's whole life, there's only been like 3 rainstorms, but this was just so pretty, I had to get it. It's so cute. So it's the little rain cloud, and I actually already put a car scent, what are those called? Car fragrance refill in there. So it has watermelon lemonade in it, which is my favorite for a car. For all of the fragrances, probably watermelon lemonade. So this is a nice snap open one. I feel like their old ones would twist open and they would fall apart all the time. Like they would fall off the visor and then snap open. And then you'd lose the top part, and this one doesn't do that. All right, I got a few car fragrance refills. I'll show you what I got on these. So let me move you in closer so you can see. Okay, so for car fragrance refills, we have Fresh Cotton and Coconut. And Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit. Fresh Coconut and Cotton. Again, I guess I got 2 of those. Another one, Fresh Coconut and Cotton, and Mango Mai Tai. And that is all for the car fragrance refills and the soap and the body spray. So now we're gonna move on to the candles. And this is like my favorite. I love candles so much. Just like a little bit of fire in your house is just so cozy for some reason. I was a pyro as a kid, but like obviously I'm very careful as an adult, but I just feel like having a little bit of fire in your house. That's why people have fireplaces and candles, because you know it is. It's like a little bit cozy. Oh, that smells so good. This is the one candle that will always be in my house in the summer. So this is, it had like a light pink, like a baby pink lid, as well as the candle. It matched the candle. I thought that was so pretty. And then this cute little beachy scene on the front. So cute. I love the packaging that they did on that one. I liked these lids, these different colored lids that match the candle. They're not silver. I like the silver ones too. But this one is called The Perfect Summer. Has anyone tried this and do you like it? I haven't actually lit this one yet. So I don't know, but when I smell it on a cold smell, it's very, it smells like suntan, like sunscreen. And I really wanted to try the suntan candle, but they didn't have it in my store, and I haven't ordered it online yet. But if you do like that one, can you please let me know in the comments below, because I need to know if it's good. All right, the notes on this one are sun-kissed citrus, orange blossoms, coconut husk, and then natural essential oils. But it smells really good, and I love the packaging on this one too. Although, this is like, I live in a desert, like I said, so this is like really close to home. Next we have, oh, I don't know if I told you, did I tell you the notes on this one? I'll tell you anyways. Watermelon, the notes on the watermelon lemonade are watermelon ice, sparkling water, Meyer lemon. And this is just the best smell. I'm just gonna smell it again. It's so good. Okay, so this one I got, and I actually already lit this one, and it's really good. I was curious because I wanted a summer version of Frozen Lake. Frozen Lake is I think it is my favorite winter candle. Frozen Lake is one that I will burn all year round though. And I love that candle, and I stock up on that candle, and I bought 3 this year, and I already went through all 3 of them. And I'm really sad about it. And I was like, well, maybe we'll find a summer version. So I got Lakeside Morning, thinking maybe it is. It's like the summer version of Frozen Lake. It's so good. Okay, so this one is crisp, what? Maybe it's a fall version. It says crisp autumn air, white driftwood, a hint of green apple with natural essential oils. Someone tell me, did you see this in the fall too? But it was, they brought, it's like a summer packaging, and they just put out this packaging. So it might be like an all year round, but it definitely smells like a summery fragrance. It's very fresh, very, it's another coastal scent. I love those oceany scents that don't smell like the old bathroom air fresheners, but smell like more fresh. I love the hint of green apple in there. I feel like it just adds a little bit of brightness to the smell. It's good. Okay, and then we have, let's see, this one. Okay, this is my second favorite. So I have 2 favorite summer candles, and they are Watermelon Lemonade and this one, Summer Boardwalk. This smells so good, and every time people come to my house and I have this going, they think I'm cooking, and it's almost like a dirty trick because I don't have anything cooking. And they're like, what is that? What are you making? I'm just cooking a candle. I feel bad. Every time I'm like, maybe I should just have cinnamon rolls or something in the oven so that they don't get their hopes up. But the packaging is so cute on this one, and it matches this candle. So this is what I was talking about. It's the same. They match. How cute is that? And this is just such a good smell. The notes on it are caramel glazed popcorn, warm taffy apples, salty sweet cream, and natural essential oils. I think the caramel glazed popcorn is what you smell the most. Oh my gosh. If you have never tried this candle and you like, it is a food scent, but oh man, It's really good. So I highly, highly recommend that if you've never tried it. Okay, there were 2 more things that I got that were on sale. They are not summer, they're spring. They're like leftovers from Easter. They were on such a good sale, you guys. This is a big frugal tip for you if you're always eyeballing the Easter decor. Oh my gosh, they were on sale for 75% off. So first of all, I got this adorable bunny. Guess how much he cost? So he's normally $24.95. He was $6. $6? How cute is that? He's a little soap holder. Sorry, I should have said that so you would actually know what he is, but look how cute. So we have a little half bath that's off of the main living room bathroom. It's like a guest bathroom, and I thought that would be so perfect for Easter time. I love Easter, but I have like no Easter decorations, so thought it was a good time to start. And I also got this. This was like the thing I was the most excited for. It's a little snow globe candle holder for a 3-wick candle. I've never had one of the snow globe ones. I've seen them before and they're always really cute, but this was originally $75 and I got it for $18. That's a steal, you guys. It's so good. Okay, so when I turn it on, it lights up. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see the light out here because it's pretty bright outside, but there's a light inside, and then it also has little white flower confetti inside that swirl around. There's a little fan in there. Look how cute. And here's where the candle goes. There's little bunnies, and it's all glittery and so cute. Glittery and sparkly. It's adorable. And here, I'm gonna put a candle on so you can see what it looks like. Isn't that adorable? What do you think? I thought it was so cute. And for $18 and only $6 for this one. I'm so excited for Easter next year. This is what I do to myself. I'm like, oh, that'll be perfect for next year. And I don't use it this year. So then I usually put it away in a box and forget about it. And then I'll pull it out next year and it's like it's brand new again because I never actually got to use it the first time, you know? But I am kind of sad I missed out on all the Halloween stuff from last year. Last year they had the cutest Halloween stuff and I didn't buy any of it, and I'm really kicking myself because the bats were adorable. Did anybody pick up the bat stuff? Oh, it was so cute. I'm kind of mad at myself. But if you did, do you love it? I need to do that next year. I feel like I should keep an eye out. But that stuff sells out fast. You can't wait for the semi-annual sale. There's always a sale the week after Black Friday. It's National Candle Day, and that's the best sale for all of the 3-wick candles. And these ones, the candles were they were 50% off, and if you went online, one of the days, Sunday, they had free shipping as well as an extra 20% off. And some of the candles were even, I saw like a Christmas one that was $5 off. So if you're looking for the deals, keep an eye out for their semi-annual sales. It's always in June and someone tell me, it's in November, I think. I think when they do the candle sale, they're also doing the semi-annual sale somewhere around there. But really good stuff. Also, I just barely got done. It was a long day. We had swimming lessons this morning and then we went shopping to get a present for a friend. And I feel like when you go to the mall with kids, I have 4 kids, it takes an extra, someone told me this and I think it's true, an extra 10 minutes per kid to get out the door. And then it takes like an extra hour at each place you're going per kid. So what would have normally taken me like 30 minutes to just get in and out and do what I need to do at the mall where I was at, and it was a relatively small mall, and I was there for so long because you know the kids, they have to go to the bathroom like every 20 minutes, and we had to get snacks, and I mean I didn't mind. I'm not complaining. I was happy to stop and get pretzel bites. So, but we also had to stop and look at every single thing, and then stop at stores we wouldn't normally stop at. So it took us 4 hours and 45 minutes. Long day of pushing a double stroller in a store where I was just in the way of everybody. I felt so bad. I was like, sorry. But everybody was really nice about it, and the girls were really good. They did their best. They were getting pretty bored at the end, but all right, I hope that you enjoyed this candle haul, and I would love to have you around. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my future videos. I'm a mom, and I like to keep it real, but I also love I'm realistic, and I also love the beauty side of things. I love home decor. I love anything holiday related. And I also just love sharing my motherhood journey with you. So if you want to be friends, then hit that subscribe. If this was helpful for you, or if you just enjoyed it or got entertainment out of it, please hit the thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for being here, and have the best day.